Students, phylum Nematoda includes with the roundworms. When goes to cross section of these animals appeared a rounded circular in shape. Hence these are the animals are called roundworms. Free living animals are parasitic forms. Okay, shows parasitic mode of life on plants and also in animals. Next, these are aquatic animals, lives in water. Terrestrial, lives on land. Terrestrial means organ system level of the organization. Cells, tissues, organ systems are present. Organ system level organization. And these are the animals shows bilaterally symmetry. And triploblastic animals, entire the body is formed by the three layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Okay, pseudocoelomates student, pseudocoelom present in these animals. Secondary body cavity that occupies the space between the mesoderm and the endoderm of the food tube or the gut. Pseudocoelom present in these animals, it's called pseudocoelomates. Next, body is not divided into segments, unsegmented body, and body is covered by the cuticle, collagenous cuticle. Cuticle, that means outer body surface is covered with the flexible layer, that is called a cuticle. It is the cuticle contains collagen protein. Collagenous cuticle, it is the one of the feature present in these animals. Collagenous cuticle that surrounds the outer body. Epidermis is syncytial. Epidermis student, outer layer of the dermis. Epidermis is syncytial. That means syncytial means multinucleate position. More number of the nucleus present in the cell. That is called syncytial. Epidermis is syncytial. And food tube or the alimentary canal or the gut is complete from the mouth to the anus. It is also with the muscular pharynx, mouth open into the muscular pharynx. Pharynx is also with the muscles. Next, student, mouth to anus. Food tube is from mouth to anus. Excretory system, excretion is by Renneti cells or Renneti glands. These are the specialized excretory cells present in these animals. Renneti glands helps in excretion. Next, nervous system student. Nervous system is with the circumenteric nerve ring. Circumenteric nerve ring. Nervous system is with the nerve ring that surrounds the and appeared as a circular shape, surrounds the food tube, circumenteric nerve ring. Next with ganglia, also with ganglia, and nerves also present in the nervous system. Sense organs student, which are the sense organs? Sense organs are amphids, phasmids. Phasmids are the sensory structures. Amphids are cuticular depressions. Student, depression-like structures present on the cuticle. Cuticular depressions mostly present around the oral region, oral part. These are act as a chemoreceptors. Amphids are act as chemoreceptors. Chemoreceptor, that means any changes at the outer surrounding environment, these are changes received by chemoreceptors. Okay, and also transmit to the nervous system of the body. Phasmids are posterior glandular sensory structures present at the posterior part of the body. Phasmids. Amphids are present at the anterior part, oral part of the body. Next student, these are sexually separate. Sexually separate. Male females are available, hence called dioecious. Sexually separated. And externally, males, observation of the males and females are also possible. Sexual dimorphism is also shown by animals. Females are larger than the males. A student, males with curved posterior end. Posterior part of the male is curved. Curved posterior end present in the males, and also with cloacal aperture. Cloaca opens to the outside by the cloacal aperture at the posterior end of the male body of male, and also with one or two pineal spicules. Spicules are small needle-like structures. These are also called copulatory spicules. One or two pineal spicules, copulatory spicules present in the male. These are helps in transfers the spermatozoa, sperm cells into the body of females. Student, males have curved posterior end, cloacal aperture, and one or two pineal spicules. Next, internal fertilization inside the body. Oviparous, laying of the eggs. Animals lays eggs, that is called oviparous. Example, Ascaris. Animals produces offsprings, that is called viviparous. Development of the embryo inside the body of animal, that is called viviparous. Produce offsprings. Eukarya, example, Eukarya. Ascaris is the oviparous. Eukarya is viviparous. Development is direct or indirect. Development is direct or indirect. Growth into the adult form, that is the larva stages in case of indirect development. Development of the larva into the adult one, that shows the 4 moltings. Growth into adult involves 4 moltings in larva stages. Molting means periodical shed of the outer body to make a way to growth of body, that is called molting. Next, classification of the phylum Nematoda. What about the classification of phylum Nematoda? 2 classes are there. One is class 1, Aphasmedia. Class 1, Aphasmedia. Amphids are present. Amphids are highly modified, developed. The animals present in class Aphasmedia. Amphids are present. Next, at the same time, phasmids are absent in these animals. Student, example, Trichinella. Example, Trichinella. Normal name, Trichina worm. Trichiuris, Vipua. Next, class 2, Phasmidia. What about the class Phasmidia? Amphids are simple. Phasmids are present. Amphids are not modified, not developed. Amphids are simple. Phasmids are present at the posterior part. Excretory system is well developed in these animals, present in class Phasmidia. Example, Ascaris, roundworm. Ankylostoma, hookworm. Enterobius, pinworm. Eukarya, filarial worm.